Should we start? Good evening, friends. I am Professor Gajanan Nerkar. I have done my MA, MCom and CS. I am a faculty for finance, and today I am going to explain you about 3 golden rules of accounts. Okay. So before understanding this, let us try to understand what is business. So can anyone tell me what is business?
So business is something when we trade goods or we
Correct. Yes, exactly. Trade. Business means trade, buying and selling of goods and services. So, whenever goods and services are bought or sold, a record has to be kept for them, and that record is called journal. Okay, what is journal? A financial record of transactions in business is what we call a journal. And there are 3 types of accounts which are relevant for a journal. So what are those 3 types? Real account, nominal account and personal account. So let us start with real account. What is real account? Real account includes all the cash and goods or the assets of a business. Okay. So the basic rules of real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So whatever comes into the business should be debited, whatever goes out of the business should be credited. So an ideal entry for a real account is when you buy goods, purchases account debit to bank account or purchases account debit to cash account. In this transaction, what has happened? Goods have been purchased, that means debit what comes in, and you have paid the money, so cash has gone out, or you have paid the money by check, so bank account is credited. Second type of account is nominal account. What comes under nominal account? All the expenses and incomes comes under nominal account. So debit all expenses and credit all incomes is a simple formula, simple rule for a nominal account. So what is the journal entry for a nominal account? Whenever you pay salaries by cash, the entry becomes salary account debit to cash account. Why salary is debited? Because debit all expenses and losses. Okay. And why do you credit cash? Because cash has what cash is what goes out of the business. Okay. So these are the 2 simple types of rules, and the third rule is personal account. What comes under personal account? Can anyone tell me this side? Which are the personal accounts?
The company or a person like Ram, Sham or
Correct.
ABC Limited, etc.
Correct. Any proper noun? Any type of person, individual, name of business, bank comes under personal account. Okay. So debit the receiver, credit the giver is the simple rule for personal account. So when we say I paid ₹100 to Mr. A, what will be the entry for this? Mr. A account debit to cash. Mr. A is the receiver, debit the receiver, and cash has gone out of the business. So these are the 3 basic rules to pass a journal entry. So we have to remember these 3 rules whenever we pass a journal entry. We are going to conduct this movement of introducing basic concepts in finance for everyone who wishes to understand finance. Okay. So see you in the next video now. It was a pleasure to have an interaction with you, and I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.